The world of artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and these 5 AI tools are revolutionizing how we work, create, and innovate in 2025. DeepSeek AI, the ultimate AI platform for natural language processing and data analysis. Whether you're a business owner or a developer, DeepSeek AI simplifies complex tasks with its intuitive interface and powerful algorithms. ChatGPT, the go-to tool for generating human-like text, brainstorming ideas, and automating customer support. Perfect for content creators and marketers. MidJourney, a cutting-edge AI tool for creating stunning visuals and artwork. From social media graphics to concept designs, MidJourney is a game-changer for creatives. Notion AI. Supercharge your productivity with Notion AI. It helps you write, organize, and plan effortlessly, making it a must-have for students and professionals alike. Synthesia. Create professional AI-powered videos in minutes. With Synthesia, you can generate videos with AI avatars, perfect for training, marketing, and presentations. These tools are not just futuristic, they're practical, accessible, and ready to transform your workflow. Start exploring them today and stay ahead of the curve in 2025.